Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kylie if you're new here. So you've probably seen a million tweets, a million Instagram posts, a million YouTube videos about what I'm about to show you, but I just figured why not? Also, I have been having people ask me how to do it, so I just figured let me just go ahead and do this. So what I'm going to show you today, if you don't know by now, is I'm going to show you how to customize your iPhone home screen. So originally I was going to show you guys how to do it on my iPad, but halfway through I realized you can't. So I'm just going to kind of redo my phone for you. Some of it will already be done, but I'll just show you like the main stuff you need to know. So what you're going to need is obviously an iPhone. You're going to need iOS 14, which is the newest update, which comes with some new widgets like that you can use. So you can use those if you want. You're gonna need the Shortcuts app. It came with iOS 13, I think, but if you're like me and you deleted it because you weren't using it, you're gonna need to re-download it. You can get it out of the App Store. Also gonna need the Widgetsmith app. This will give you widgets that you can customize. There's also another one called Photo Widget. I don't know how that one works, but it looks pretty similar. You're gonna need Pinterest and or Google. So those are all the things you're gonna need. Before you start anything, I highly suggest that you get all of your pictures, quotes, all of that, get all of that together before you start placing anything on your screen. Because when I first started, I was just kind of doing it as I was going, and it takes a lot more time that way. So get all of your pictures and stuff together first, and just create an album in your phone to hold all of them, so then you can just go to that album and get all the pictures you need. So to get those pictures, at first I was doing a black and white theme, but it didn't work out the way I liked it, well, the way I thought I wanted it to look like. So what I ended up doing was I went to Pinterest. Also, if you go on Twitter and search the hashtag iOS 14 home screen, you'll see like everybody else's, and so I use those. Like, okay, that's doing too much, I don't like that, so use that as like inspiration. Anyways, go to Pinterest and I searched iPhone background aesthetic or aesthetic iPhone background. Either way, put aesthetic in there and you'll get all these like really cute things. And one of the subcategories was fall, so I clicked that one and I found this really cute background. It's like a sunflower field with butterflies. It's really cute, so that's the one I chose. So I downloaded that picture. Then from there I searched for a fall color palette. Now I can't remember if I got the palette off of Pinterest or if I got it off of Google, but either one works. You search whatever color palette you want and it'll give you different options. You just pick the one you want. Screenshot that color palette, and then you're gonna have to go in and then screenshot that screenshot for each individual color so that it has its own picture file in your phone. So do that, put all of that in an album. Or if you're going to use like pictures for your app icons, get all your pictures. Or if you're going to use actual icons, you can Google like message app icon and then go to Google Images and it'll pull up all these other ones. I'll show you the ones I originally was going to use. So those are the things you're going to need. Now I'm going to go to my phone so you guys can see what to do next. All right, guys. So this is the blank page that I'm going to show you how to customize. And this is one that I finished. And then this is the app library where you're going to hide all of your other apps that you're not putting on your home screen. if that's what you choose to do. And then these are the widgets that already come on your iPhone with the update. So if you can see down here at the bottom, I have these four like tan squares. These are actually apps. So it's messages, phone, FaceTime, music. Don't ask me how I remember that. I just do. And then you see on this page, I have this like calendar with the time and these different apps. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the Shortcuts app, and I actually made a folder with all my different shortcuts in it. So I'm gonna make a new shortcut, and if you click the three dots, you can name your shortcut. So I'm gonna name this one Class Dojo. This is just the app I use for work, but it's just a random one. Then you click done. So you're gonna click add action, click scripting, open app. Then where it says choose, you're gonna then choose the app that you want to be opened when you click on it. So there it pops up with the rest of your shortcuts. Then click on the three dots again. Click on these other three dots. Then you're going to click add to home screen. Down at the bottom where it says home screen name and icon, you can change the name. So if I just add an emoji, just random emoji, then you're going to click on like the picture. You're going to click choose photo. Sorry. I put all of my icons and stuff in a folder, so I'm just gonna pick this color here, and you can resize it however you want. Choose, click add, and then when you go to your home screen, it'll be there on your home screen. And then you just hold it down and move it wherever you want. So I'm gonna move it. Where'd it go? Oh, move it to this first page, and then click done. Right? So that's how you do. That's how you change the app icons and things like that. Then to do the Widgetsmith, I'm going to click on this Widgetsmith app, and you see I already have some done. So you can choose from small, medium, or large. On my first page, I had two small and one medium. So I'm just going to add one, and then you click on what the widget looks like. You're going to click default. If you click the timed one, it's going to replace the widget at a certain time or something like that. So you can choose from the time, the date, custom. Oh, you have all these different options. So the one I did was photo. You're going to click selected photo. Choose, and then let's say I just picked this picture here, right? That's a cute picture. Click save. So then it pops up there. Then hold down on your screen again and click the plus sign. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to Widgetsmith. You're going to, whatever size widget you just customized, that's the one you're going to choose. So we're going to click add for the small. And then it's going to pop up with one of the small widgets you created. You're going to click on it. And then I'm going to change this to small number 3. And just like that, it pops up on my screen. And then you just customize it however you want it. So I'm going to change this to small number 1. And I'm going to move it to the other side. Right? I'm going to get rid of Class Dojo because I actually really don't want that on my home screen. I'm going to go back to my shortcuts, and I'm going to re-add all of the ones I took off for this video. Alright, so now that I've added all of my widgets and my apps back on, actually the affirmations one, this is a medium widget that I made to be my reminders. So let me show you. So this is medium 1, and you can choose reminders, and I just made it a how how do you, oh, when you go to list, you choose the list you want, and I just made the affirmations a list. And then you can change the font color, and the background color. So that's just what I did for that one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move these to where I want them. Yeah, and then when you go to click on it, it's gonna take you through the shortcuts app first, but then it's gonna open the app that you want. And for like your messages or your emails or something like that, the badges, so it's not gonna show you how many like messages you have or anything anymore. But obviously if you open it, it'll still take you back to that. Um, but yeah, that is how I customize my home screen. And let me show you guys how to put an app in your app library. So if I hold on to this Instagram app, I'm gonna click remove app, and you can either delete it or move it to the app library. So I just move all the apps that I didn't want here to my app library. Once you add the shortcut you created to your home screen, you want to add the actual app to your app library, or else it's just going to be stuck on your home screen. Also, don't delete the shortcut app, because once you do that, your shortcuts will no longer work. I tried that just to see if, if I had to keep the shortcut app, and you do. Um, I think that's everything that I did. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to put them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!